Tech Minds welcomes you. Explore the forefront of snow removal tech with us. Subscribe for cutting-edge winter innovation. Let's dive in. Number 1. The Schmidt Supra 4002 is an industrial powerhouse. Renowned for its exceptional snow removal efficiency, equipped with advanced technology, it excels in clearing snow-covered surfaces, making it a top choice for municipalities, airports, and large-scale commercial areas. Its robust build and cutting-edge features contribute to its reputation as a reliable and high-performance snow removal solution. Number 2. The Arbo Snow Blower S1 is celebrated for its precision and reliability in snow removal. Designed for accuracy and efficiency, it handles various snow management tasks with ease, whether in residential neighborhoods or commercial spaces. The Arbo Snow Blower S1 ensures thorough and precise snow clearance, showcasing its commitment to quality performance. Number 3. Tailored for railway snow removal challenges, the rotary bale hack railway snowblower is a crucial asset in maintaining rail infrastructure during winter. Its specialized design efficiently clears snow along tracks, ensuring safe and unimpeded rail transportation. This machine is integral to the winter readiness of railway systems. Number 4. The Billhack Rotary Snowblower is a heavy-duty solution designed to tackle intense snowfall with powerful performance and durable construction. It is well-suited for regions prone to extreme winter weather conditions. The Billhack Rotary Snowblower delivers efficient and effective results when clearing snow from roadways or large open areas. Number 5. Recognized for its versatility, the Luru D60 is a multi-purpose snow removal machine. Its capabilities span various applications, from clearing roads to open spaces. The Luru D60's design and performance make it a reliable choice for comprehensive snow management, adapting to different environments and requirements. Number 6. The Honda 2-Stage Gas Snow Blower is a dependable option for residential snow removal, engineered with a dual-stage auger and impeller system. It offers homeowners a powerful and efficient solution for clearing driveways and walkways. The machine's reliability and ease of use make it a popular choice for individuals seeking effective snow removal in smaller settings. Number 7. Tailored for narrow pathways and sidewalks, the Sidewalk Snow Vehicle excels in precision snow removal. Its compact design and maneuverability make it an ideal choice for urban areas where space is limited. The Ventruc SSB Model 2120 ensures thorough snow clearance in areas that demand a specialized approach. Number 8. The SnowJoe Cordless Snow Shovel offers a convenient and cordless solution for smaller snow removal tasks. With a 24-volt ion plus battery and a 13-inch clearing width, it is designed for portability and ease of use. This machine is suitable for quick and efficient snow clearance on sidewalks, driveways, and other compact areas. Number 9. The Bobcat Toolcat is a versatile machine designed for various tasks, including snow removal. With its compact size and multifunctional capabilities, it serves as a valuable asset for both residential and commercial users. The Toolcat's adaptability makes it an all-season utility vehicle, and its snow removal attachments enhance its functionality during winter. Number 10. The Favero Snow Rabbit is a specialized snow removal machine designed for efficiency and precision. Its features cater to the demands of clearing snow in different terrains, providing reliable performance in challenging winter conditions. The Snow Rabbit's design emphasizes effective and targeted snow management. Number 11. The ATR Orbiter is a machine designed for efficient snow removal in diverse environments. Its capabilities extend to clearing snow from roads, open spaces, and other surfaces, showcasing versatility in snow management. The ATR Orbiter's design and technology contribute to its effectiveness in addressing the challenges posed by winter weather. Number 12. Engineered for airport applications, the Snow Power Sweeper Airport SPS 530 is a specialized snow removal machine designed to meet the stringent requirements of runway maintenance. Its powerful sweeping capabilities and advanced features make it an essential component in ensuring safe and operational airports during winter weather conditions. whether deployed on roads or in other settings. Its capabilities contribute to effective snow management. Number 13. The Leruti 97 is designed to handle various snow conditions, making it a versatile solution for winter weather challenges. Number 14. The Snow Wolf SB1050 is a snow blower with a focus on high-performance snow removal. Its robust construction and powerful capabilities make it suitable for tackling heavy snowfall in different settings. The SB1050's design emphasizes efficiency and reliability in clearing snow-covered surfaces. Number 15. The KFS 1150 is a machine designed for efficient snow removal, featuring advanced technology to address winter weather challenges. Its capabilities extend to clearing snow from roads, open spaces, and other surfaces, making it a versatile solution for comprehensive snow management. Number 16. The RS for Olo from Eurozen is a specialized snow blower designed for efficient and targeted snow removal. Its features are tailored to address the challenges posed by winter weather, making it a valuable asset in various snow management applications. The RS400's design reflects a commitment to high-performance snow removal. Number 17. The Arctic Machine Away snowplow is engineered for efficient snow clearing in challenging Arctic conditions. Its robust build and advanced features make it well-suited for extreme winter weather, ensuring the uninterrupted flow of transportation routes. The AWAY snowplow's design emphasizes durability and effectiveness in snow removal. Number 18. The Snow Wolf SB1050, listed again, underscores its significance as a powerful snow blower designed for heavy snow removal. Its capabilities and features make it a reliable choice for addressing winter weather challenges in various settings. Number 19. The KFS 1150 from Kalbacher is a snow removal machine designed with a focus on efficiency and performance. Its advanced features and capabilities cater to the demands of comprehensive snow management, ensuring effective clearance of snow-covered surfaces. Number 20. Another entry for the KFS 1150 from Kalbacher, emphasizing its significance as a snow removal machine designed for efficiency and performance. Its advanced features and capabilities contribute to effective snow management in various settings. Number 21. The SnowX VMAX G2V X2 200 is a high-capacity salt spreader designed for efficient ice control and snow removal. With a large hopper capacity and advanced spreading technology, this machine is ideal for covering expansive areas, such as parking lots and roadways. Its precision and versatility make it a valuable asset in winter maintenance. Number 22. The Hinaker 9850 C Plow is a heavy-duty snow plow designed for trucks and commercial vehicles, featuring durable construction and advanced blade technology. It efficiently clears snow from roads and large surfaces. The adjustable blade allows for versatility in adapting to different snow conditions. Number 23. The Ventric SSV Sidewalk Snow Vehicle is specifically engineered for sidewalk and narrow pathway snow removal. Its compact design, articulated steering, and various attachments make it highly maneuverable in tight spaces. Equipped with a snow blower or plow, the SSV ensures thorough snow clearance in urban and pedestrian-friendly environments. Number 24. The Oshkosh Snow Leopard is an all-terrain snow blower designed for extreme winter conditions. With its robust build and powerful snow clearing capabilities, it is often employed in challenging environments, including mountainous regions and heavy snowfall areas. The Snow Leopard ensures effective snow removal in the toughest conditions. Fault. Number 25. The Wausau Everest Series High-Performance Snow Blower is a heavy-duty snow removal machine designed for airports and large-scale operations. With a powerful throwing distance and advanced features, it efficiently clears runways and critical areas. The Everest series ensures the safe and timely operation of airports during winter weather. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this video informative. Don't forget to subscribe to TechMinds for more exciting content like this. Remember to press the bell icon to receive notifications whenever we release new videos. Your support means a lot to us. Stay tuned for more tech insights and updates. See you in the next video.